Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y76, and today I'll show you how we can copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which for me is located in the Google folder right over here. And as you can see, I already have like 5 different contacts, so disregard those. When I click on the 3 bars right here and navigate into the settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option. From here, select that you want to import from your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now it looks like the phone automatically imports some of the contacts, or uses at least the contacts that are on the SIM card to show them in your contacts list, but you can basically import them as well, so when you take out your card they want to disappear. Now that being said, as you can see, some of those contacts I cannot import, like these two. They're grayed out and deselected, and that's why I said that I think the phone actually imports them automatically, or at least some of them, just because even if it would use the SIM card, you should still be able to import them. I cannot import these contacts. So anyway, from here we can deselect contacts that you wouldn't want, and you can then select import. This will show you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when you go back we should be able to see them right here. And as you can see, we have more contacts right now, and it does also show you that these contacts are on the phone. You can tap right here and change the location, so we have device, SIM card. We can also have our accounts visible right here if you're logged into like YouTube, not YouTube, but to like your Google, so those will be also visible right here. But anyway, that is how you could import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.